All right, so the first thing that I do is with editing, it is a visual thing when it comes to the audio in the video. So first, what I like to do, I like to detach my audio so I can see the audio waves. Normally, if you are editing in another software or even on CapCut on the computer, you see the audio waves attached to the video, but on the phone version, there's not a view for that. So I'm going to simply click on that clip, and next I'm going to go scroll over until I see a option that says extract audio. So I'm going to extract audio right here. So now what that did is that pulled out all the audio waves, and now I can visibly see where all of my breaks are to where I can edit faster. So I know where it starts. So look, I can skip all of this time here because I know there's nothing there. So I'm going to do my first splice there. So literally I click on first the video and the audio, and I split both of them. And I'm going to delete the intro part that I don't need. And I will simply slide this over until it clicks in place to put the audio back with my voice. Okay, so let's go ahead. My first step is after I loaded in the footage, I go through and I chop down the base footage and I cut out all the fluff, okay? So we're gonna cut out all the fluff. I edited this entire video in CapCut live during my workshop, all from my phone. All right, so I looked away to look at my script, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna split here again. So I'm splitting right where the audio wave ends because again, like most of these social media platforms, the shorter your video, the better. So anywhere I can get rid of a gap of just blank space where there's no sound or anything, I like to cut it out. Da, da, da. All right, so I know I don't look back to the camera, so I see I started talking right back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop here. And I'm gonna delete and delete that audio. And then I'm gonna slide this over. If you want to learn how to, so I'm going to fix where I just messed up. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so I can see the audio waves. This part is a little tedious, but it's really important to get your base footage, what's normally called your A-roll, cut down to the cleanest version that you can and the shortest. So normally this part, it's tedious, but it's very worth your time to do. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. If you want to learn I messed up, so I'm going to go ahead and split. Delete that. And I don't know exactly why CapCut doesn't keep the audio with the video, but it's all good. We'll just keep sliding it over. As long as it locks in place, it stays in sync with your voice. If you want to learn how to edit a video just like this, be sure to comment the word "show me." And then I know I stopped right there, so I'm going to go ahead and split again, tap the video, split. Comment the word "show me" to get access to my class now. To get access to split. Now I have 2 takes here. I'm just going to choose between the 2. Just like this, be sure to comment the word "show me." Okay. Comment the word "show me" to get access to my class now. All right. Cool. So this is a very short, let's see how long it's about to be. I'm going to fix this last clip, pull over that audio. And if anybody knows a fix to that, let me know. I have not found one to this day to keep the audio connected. Now, if you have Pro, normally CapCut adds in this little their logo at the end. Sometimes I keep it in because when I'm trying to promote CapCut, I'll leave it in. But this one, I'm going to go ahead and select and delete it. But I'm pretty sure you have to have the Pro version in order to delete that. Okay, so let's check the base footage now, which this base footage is what's called in video editing terms the A-roll. It's the main A shot. I edited this entire video in CapCut live during my workshop, all from my phone. If you want to learn how to edit a video just like this, be sure to comment the word "show me" to get access to my class now. All right, so the next thing that I normally do is where I make those chops, there are now jump cuts. A jump cut is pretty much literally, you see right here, where the shot literally jumps. So the way that I normally fix this, it's a 2-part process. You don't have to do this. I just personally like doing it because I like my footage looking clean. We are going to do what's called an L-shaped cut. And those that are in my Edit Like a Pro Mastery program know about this L-shaped cut. And I found out you can do it in CapCut on your phone. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to press on this audio and I'm going to drag this audio down. So when you're editing, there are layers within the program. So my video is on layer 1. This next piece of audio, well, my video is on the base layer. This next piece of audio is on layer 1. This one is on layer 2, and it literally just stacks and layers up like an onion peel. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull my video back a little bit. So what it's going to do, and I'm going to move this audio to where it gets back sync with myself, is it's literally creating an L-shaped cut. And I wish I could draw with my finger, but literally from here over, you're now making an L shape, right? So this allows, while one video is still kind of speaking and the last sentence of what I'm saying is tailing out, the next one is starting, right? If you want to learn how to workshop all from my phone, if you want to learn how to, so it kind of gets rid of that break and it saves you additional time on your reel in Instagram or wherever you're posting this. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to simply pinch outward. I'm going to pinch outward and I'm going to slightly zoom into myself, right? So now here, let me do it a little bit further. I'm zooming in to hide more of that jump, but this actual initial shot, I'm very low. So I'm just going to fix that a little bit to center myself up. And I'm going to leave it there. So here's what we have. I edited this entire video in CapCut live during my workshop, all from my phone. If you want to learn how to edit a video just like this, be sure to comment the word "show me" to get access to my class now. All right. So this one got a little bit off and we're going to layer this back correctly and then we'll be good to go through. So now that I have my base footage, I'm gonna actually do another L-shaped cut here and I'll move the audio forward to where it's layered on me to get access to my class now. All right, I'll leave the end because I'm gonna do something effect-wise on there. All right, so after I've chopped down the base footage, cut out all the fluff, all the mistakes, any repeats or anything, now I go through and I add what is called B-roll. B-roll is pretty much any